Hello everyone, it's Dan here from TommusRhodus Support. I'm just going to take you through the process of building a single page or one pager, basically the kind of page where you'll click on the links and you'll scroll up and down to the various parts of the page. Now to begin with, I've created a fresh page. I've just cloned one of the ones from the demo just for the sake of this example, and yeah, we're just going to go through the process of splitting this up into segments and how you link to them. So I'm just going to publish the page to begin with. And before we go any further, I'm going to quickly create a new menu, just so we can kind of get an idea of what to do here. We'll call this one pager menu. And I'm going to assign that as the standard navigation menu. Okay, let's load up the page. Okay, so I've got three tabs open. I've got one just so I can look at the page live, as it were. I've got another one so I can edit it, and I've got another one for our menu. Now, the idea behind a single page navigation is very, very simple. You're basically just going to give each section you want to link to a unique ID, and you're then going to place this ID in the menu, and I'll show you the whole thing from start to finish. So, to begin with, I'm going to just take the second section here, this working to build a better web, and in the row settings, which is the little pencil icon here, you'll see there's a row ID option. Thank you, Windows. Yeah, there's a row ID option here, and this is where you will enter the unique ID you want to use to identify that row. The reason I keep kind of emphasizing unique is it does need to be totally unique, otherwise the whole process doesn't work. So I'm going to call this about-us, which will do. I'm going to hit save and update the page. And we then need to add that ID to the menu. So if we go over to our menu tab, you'll notice if we start adding pages, we don't get the option to add in a URL. So what we're going to need to do is click the custom link section here, and in the URL field, we put a hash, which is the sign for an ID, and we'll put about us. You'll notice it's exactly the same as we typed it in, including the hyphen. That's so it all works. And the actual text that will display in the menu, I'll just put about. Okay, let's save the menu, refresh the page, and you can see there we've got our about section there. If we click it, it takes us straight to the section of the page there. Simple. So just to kind of really hammer the point home, I'm going to take a different section. I'm going to give this one a unique ID of user testimony. Hit save and update the page. And once again, to add that to the menu, we're going to go to the custom link section here. We're linking to an ID, so we need the hash first of all. We'll pop in the ID we've given, which is user testimony. And I'll just put in there user views. Let's hit save. For one last time, we'll refresh the page, and you can see again as we click up and down, we are taken to the various sections of the site. So you can just keep repeating this as you wish for as many sections as you like. It's really up to you. So there you go, that's how to create a single page navigation with Pillar. I hope this video has been useful. Any more questions, do come and see me over at support. Thanks for watching.